bull, cow, peacock, peahen, cock, hen, dog, bitch, cat, queen, stallion, mare, drake, duck, drone, bee. What is the female counterpart of tiger? Let me know in the comment section. To learn English in fun and easy way, join me every Monday at 4 p.m. only on YouTube. Follow Skilling You for more.